Hey, what's going on, y'all? Jimmy Macrum. It's time for episode 13 C of season 5, the season finale of Sons of Anarchy. We don't even need to talk about last episode. Let's just get to this one. Let's get to it. This fucking animal.
Ooh, girl days of telling tales.
That's a fucking great transition.
Deal's moving forward. Paperwork's already started.
Then one more piece of paper doesn't make a difference, right?
We have a storage garage in Middle River. Private, rural. 2 o'clock.
I'm texting info.
I assume Jax has a plan. Look at Jax go. What the fuck the Groom Brothers doing there?
Almost done, my friend.
Looks ready to snap.
Yeah.
Trying to fucking break his foot over somebody's ass right now. I don't know what Jax has planned, but I gotta be honest, I no longer doubt Jax. I don't doubt his fucking viciousness. I don't doubt his cold-bloodedness, nor do I doubt his strategy from here on out. Ever since the end of season 3, I've been with all the shits. Is he really gonna hand over Tig? I can't see it. I cannot see it. Though the shit he's done, it would only be another step lower. Like,
Chucky, Tara's waiting for those car mats. Maybe you could go drop them off.
Absolument.
Friend? Galen's all set for me. 4:30 away in Wood Barn.
My suitcase is in the car.
what? What?
The honeymoon we never had. War-torn Belfast. Can't wait.
I got Clay dying this episode. I don't even know how. I just have him dying.
Yeah.
He looks very unsure, as he should be. I'm unsure.
Nerves and muscles are communicating normally. No permanent damage, Tara. Dr. Balian thinks you'll be operating within 6 months.
That's amazing.
It is.
Sorry to interrupt.
Jesus.
Can you, forward these to Karen Dunhill?
Sure.
She gonna snitch on Jax? Not sure snitching, we know what I mean. She gonna tell what happened? You look terrible. Not terrible, but not like he did last time.
Go to Oregon now, before something awful happens to you and your sons. And if you don't do it, I will, because I don't give a shit about custody. I'm getting out!
I'm getting out.
Good.
Is that for me?
Tara dropped off the mats. I found this on the front porch. Perishables. I do.
Jesus. Oh, is that from fucking people in Oregon? Congratulations on the new fucking whatever the fuck. Fucking Nosy McGee over here.
Whoa.
That's for trying to steal our guns.
Good here?
Yeah. Yep.
Oh, what planet is Happy White? Oh, we know how much he loves dogs. Fuck. Jesus. Some fucked up, repugnant shit. We know what happened to his dog. His whole beef with fucking left from the shield.
Jackie.
Run! Grab him! Oh shit!
Kidding me? I'll get out of here. Leave the dog. You take her inside. Go tell Nero. Now.
Yes, sir.
Jesus. Sweetie loves dogs.
To be safe, my love.
Oh fuck, is that the homeless lady from the first couple seasons? Mine's dead, buddy. man for himself, goddammit, Jesus. Shit. Oh. Nice. Fuck you. Fucking hero. Oh, she tried it.
Oh, shit! What?
Something, are you okay?
Shit's gonna hurt.
That's karma. Jesus.
He's about to ride out of town.
That's outrageous.
Hey, fool. Yeah, I think Pete's your color, huh?
Was he gonna do it now? Is she considering?
You should let Jax know. If Tara doesn't go now, they're going to offer it to someone else. It's a wonderful opportunity.
What the fuck?
Okay.
Hillary.
I'll let him know.
I can't knock it, Hillary. Well, Gemma's pretty good at that. Fucking Gemma! Jesus fucking Christ!
Can we talk?
Ew.
I think I'll be operating within 6 months.
That's good, right?
Yeah.
What? Go ahead. Drop bombs.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
The fuck is? Yeah, you gotta go.
What's happening today? Nothing. If they were up my ass, I kept my promise about Juice. End of the day. Now, how would he know all about Clay?
Small town.
Big mouths.
Found out what I could about Mr. Victor.
Look at Hunter. Go ahead.
Harvard education. Ex-special forces.
Jesus.
Recruited into the U.S. Marshals in '91. Lots of high-profile arrests. Accommodations up the Yang.
Goddamn Punisher.
The little sister? She was his only family.
Fuck. Well, that's just what we need. Goddamn Punisher. Stuff for Harvard education. What?
Jesus Christ!
What?
Guard!
What the fuck?
You're not taking my family anywhere.
They're my sons.
Shut up, you lying bitch. I am done with your little power push. So reach out to those investigators. Tell them you asked me to bring you that cross.
What the fuck?
I'm sure there's plenty of security footage of us on that lot. You had it all planned.
What the fuck?
But at least I would have the satisfaction of knowing you were locked up. Getting fist raped until they were well into their 20s.
You do what you have to do, but I'm leaving Charming. And my sons are coming with me.
Go ahead, Tara. Gemma is awful. I knew that grabbing wasn't gonna work though. Come on, Tara. You know about that life. Oh, what the fuck is going on? What's the plan, Jax?
Quiet, man.
Very.
Jax.
Do it!
All right. What the hell's going on, man?
Tell me!
Poor Tig. I mean,
You rat bastard.
God damn it!
seriously?
I do it in the garage. Spot a couple hikers on the way in. Sound travels out here. I'll wait till you're done. Time up.
Please tell me Jackson's got a plan of some kind.
It all comes around, Tiggy.
Inside the garage.
Tell me there's a plan, Jax! Oh my god, this is fucking heartbreaking. I never liked Tiggy like that. Call him Tiggy? I don't like Tiggy like that. Oh, go ahead, sir. Gimme. Gimme!
Right there.
Don't!
Let's go!
This was not our agreement, son.
No.
What?
You kill a man that burned your kid alive.
Stupid cracker, bitch. You know what happens to whoever kills me, right?
I'm counting on it.
Oh shit!
I'm sorry. I couldn't tell you. You would have picked up on something.
He could have killed me right away, bro.
But he didn't.
That's Clay's gun.
Yeah, it is.
Oh shit! What?
Is that gonna be a problem for you?
Oh, poor Tig, I feel your pain, brother. I feel it. What?
It's over, brother. It's over.
I'm sorry, Stahl has to move aside. I'm sorry, I love you.
Give the whole station a heads up. Have Torres and Wilson meet us at the 20. Yes, sir. Let's go.
Go ahead, Jax. I thought for sure he'd be the big bad next season. Oh,
Yes, it is.
oh shit. Juice gave him the gun.
Call it in.
He bought his way back in. Oh my god.
All right, I'm there.
Vent. Halfway up the hill.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Oh my god. Let's go. Jesus, that's dark. Poor Juice.
Okay. Signature here, along with your initials, and sign on all the red tabs.
I can't focus on any of this. I'm too busy busting a nut.
No, I can do that. Okay.
Thank you.
You know you can trust me, right?
Hell no.
We'd have confidentiality.
First of all, she's a lawyer. Secondly, fucking she works for JAX.
Appreciate that. I'm fine.
Fuck all of that.
All right.
You're welcome. Will do there, buddy. Beat it. Jax is busy doing shit. Making moves. Go ahead. I know this is important shit going on here. I understand that. I cannot think about any of this. Do you want to be here for that? You need to give Juice a heads up. Get the fuck out.
I'm sorry. It didn't end up mattering anyway. Just let it go.
Why couldn't you have been this Clay from the beginning?
I'm gonna miss you most.
Jesus. Poor fucking Juice.
You gotta leave now. You gotta get out of here. You gotta split. Take my bike.
What are you talking about, son?
Shit.
This weapon is registered in your name. It was just used in the murder of Damon Pope and 3 of his associates.
Jeez.
Can you tell me right here? Can anyone confirm that? My wife.
No, she cannot. Oh my god!
You went out for a few hours.
Oh, shit!
Took the cut. Said he had to settle up some accounts before he left.
Holy shit. Jesus!
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say and do can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney. But you can't afford an attorney. Want to be
What the fuck? All three of them know that's a fucking lie. Oh my god! What the fuck? And he told him he'd be late.
Report confirmed. Murder weapon. Prince. Motive. You running late.
If it's any consolation, I'm looking forward to working with you, Mr. Marks.
Bounty's on Clay tomorrow. I want him dead before his hearing.
Hey, brother, don't look a gift horse in the mouth. Fucking JAX! What the fuck?
I'm proud of you.
You know, you almost fucked it up. Same fucked up speech Clay gave him when he was fucking going through his suicide tendencies. Yes, he's the devil. Tara knows it. Wendy knows it. You know it. Gemma knows it. Loves him anyway. Tig knows it.
What's she doing? She's gonna be fine, bro.
That's a great shot. He's essentially fucking Pitbull for fucking JAX now. How are you, sir? Have a seat.
I just talked to Juice. And Tig.
What did they say?
Nothing. It's about being smart enough not to hurt him.
What do you mean?
Maybe I'm not so different.
Clearly. You're just worse. Worse.
So what now?
Smarter. Strategic.
Well, that's about to get very messy, Jim.
I know messy. It's what I do best.
She is a walking mess. I will give you that. Walking fucking tornado.
Jax is here.
Speaking of messy.
Not messy. Quite clean.
Right there.
I'm gonna call him JAX Loose Ends Teller. Go ahead, sir!
I'm gonna make you another deal. You walk away, I'll walk away.
That was a great scene. I felt like we were just signing 2 death warrants. I'm not sure what season, but they're both dying. Because, they had a chance to leave and didn't. JAX not going anywhere. Oh, shit. Are we really gonna have this conversation? Hopefully JAX is too angry to get upset. I mean, too exhausted to get upset. It's been a long day.
Our boys will be destined to relive all of our mistakes.
Shit. What the fuck is that?
Are we good?
Yeah, I sent the army home.
Then can we talk tomorrow?
I'm not here for that. I'm here for Tara.
He's crying.
Fucking Gemma. I like Gemma. Yeah, kill her, JAX. Oregon's done. Being the charge will drop tomorrow. Oregon's done. Aww, that's a shame. Bendito. Beat it! Oh, I'm still staying, just not best president. Fair enough. Why don't we ever pay for the fucking Stone song? I know it's expensive, but it's the season finale. This is at least 2 Stone songs in the finale that we're using the fucking knockoff version of. Stop being cheap. Spit on the budget. Poor Clay. Oh my God, you poor bastard. Oh my God. That's a great fucking shot. Alright, that was episode 13 of season 5 of Sons of Anarchy. Whew. Up until the last 5-10 minutes, I was on cloud 9. JAX Teller, JAX Loose Ends Teller, JAX Corleone Teller, JAX not Clay Teller. There's a whole fucking problem. The whole menace. There's a whole savage. Everything that bothered me about Clay. Not everything. All but one thing that bothered me about Clay. Which is, well, he's violent. He deals with problems with violence. And leaves no room for a settlement. JAX has all those qualities. However, the number one thing that Clay didn't have was a strategic mind. Up until this season, we showed a little bit of it. But he didn't have a strategic mind. He simply dealt with problems as they came, and then deal with the consequences as they come, and then deal with the consequences to those consequences as they come, and it always got them into deeper and deeper shit. Meanwhile, JAX just pauses, takes a moment. It's the best way to get out of this fucking situation. Cartel, a couple episodes ago. Last episode, rather. Took care of that situation. We're out. Irish. Mayans and Niners. Deal with that. Simply shift that around. And now, Pope, the big problem. The biggest problem, I thought. I thought he was going to be the whole big bad for next season. I figured something would go wrong in this episode where he has a change of heart, he doesn't want to kill Tig, and then Pope gets pissed off, and now we're enemies, and we'll deal with you in season 6. Nope. He set it up where he got what he wanted from the deal, which he set up a while ago, beautifully. Got it in writing to him and Hale, beautiful, just in case she goes sideways, beautiful. Then saved Tig's life, essentially, you're welcome. Got Tig's revenge, you're welcome. There was a little whatever about it, but it is what it is. And used Clay's gun to do it. He took a problem and turned it into a strength. This fucking Juice thing is a situation. Juice is a fucking rat. But, you know, he's not a piece of garbage. He was just weak in a moment. Fine. This is a strength. He is close to fucking Clay. We can use that. And by we, I mean me, because I'm doing this by my lonesome. Oh, God. Jesus. And then the fucking, wait a minute, the, Eli Roosevelt's a whole problem because he has a fucking brand new task force. He could fuck us up after fucking cocksucking Unser sold us out. But hey, didn't snap, didn't panic, didn't overreact, didn't start yelling like a fucking maniac, didn't fucking do something or whatever. Fucking, alright, I've got to make sure this gets done. I just need to the end of the day. End of the day, we're all good. I got you, Chief. I'm sorry, Stahl. You know I love Stahl. You know this. She's still number 2, but she has to be number 2. She has to step aside for JAX Teller. I had to do this new list. Jackson and Stahl both gonna be on it. It's fucking fantastic. I love that goddamn episode. Right now, as far as people who are alive, it's JAX and Tara and probably Chibs. After that, it gets really dicey. I have always liked Bobby. He first of all, he took part in my favorite segment in the history of the show. But enough. Enough. You and your problems with violence and your moral codes and your lifting us to a higher purpose and all this other stuff, which are nice thoughts, they're not very pragmatic in the situation. Clay has proven himself to be untrustworthy. We cannot allow him to live. Even if Clay's turned over a new leaf, I don't know that for sure. He cannot be allowed to live. And more importantly than that, at this particular moment, it's not possible to let him live because fucking Roosevelt will be on the warpath. So he's got to go. So Bobby, you don't want to be VP? That's fine. Feel free. Step aside. Step aside. And if you had such a great fucking idea, we know fucking Clay did all this fucked up nonsense. We could have told Jax, all right, here's the plan. We get Clay to admit what he did in front of the crew, and then we kill him. I go to him on the false friendship, I get him to admit it, and then we all vote yes, and then he's dead. You're welcome. But no, he went to him on the real friendship, and then got him to confess to save his fucking life. Enough of you. I thought it was about saving me. It's about fucking you and your nonsense. Enough of Bobby. Beat it. Hit the bricks. He's a peacetime consigliere. This is wartime, sir! That aside, it wasn't all fun and games. Wait, before I go on that, can I just say how fucked up it is that Gemma, not even talking about the actual fucked up thing she did, just the way she did the Clay. I don't know why I didn't see that part coming. It's just that he was so happy. It's just sad because he was so happy. Sorry, Chief. Sorry, Chief. Now listen, I don't feel bad for Clay. This is what he deserves. Let's be completely clear about this. Just because you changed the new leaf for the last... How long has it been in TV time? Like, in the TV, like 3 days? 4 days? 5 days? Like, come on, man. Stop it. You were just doing the Nomad's attacks fucking 12 seconds ago. Enough of this. And that's not to say all the fucked up shit you did. You killed Piney, who I didn't like, but fuck him. You did kill him. He was a member. You tried to kill Tara, which should be an immediate death sentence. You probably killed this fucking shitty dad. I don't fucking want to hear a monologue. Yeah, Clay had to go. And you're a schemer. You have to go, sir. And you fucking beat up Gemma. Beat the shit out of her. Jesus. Yeah, you gotta go. Sorry. That's enough. Enough. Now, as for the other thing Gemma did, Gemma also seems to have some of Clay's weaknesses, which is you just doing shit because you want to, and because it's a problem you need to deal with. I don't think Tara's gonna spend a super... Here's what I don't get. Those of you who are familiar with the law, don't spoil me, if you don't mind. If Gemma goes to the police, or whoever, and says that Tara wanted her to give her this crucifix because she wanted to give it to Otto, who wanted to use it to kill a nurse, that obviously will make Tara part of a conspiracy to commit murder. However, would that not make Gemma part of that same conspiracy? If she gave her a weapon that she knew Tara was going to use for murder. Because that's what she threatened her with in the office. That's what she was going to say. No matter what happens, Gemma's fucked. Jax is not Clay. Jax will not be blindsided by you and your fucking horseshit for too long. It might take him a minute, but not long. Then what will he do with his mom? He loves his mom. Not as much as he loves Tara. It's a weird thing, him and Tara. They've still got like high school love. That's weird. You'd think he'd be over that. I love the season. I love Jax. I was gonna try to rate the season, but I got nothing for you. This is probably my second favorite finale, though. Maybe my favorite finale. I don't know. It's between this and 3, obviously. I'm gonna give 3 the edge because 3 has 3 has Stahl reaching over to touch the side of her bed, where her partner in both ways Should be sleeping. And then she looks up, and I swear to God, we're gonna get a ridiculously corny fucking I'm sad, I'm lonely, even though I did all this horseshit face. Fucking cliche TV face. And she smirks, and I busted a nut. I'm going 3 and 5. And then you can figure out the rest for yourself. Whew. Anyway, post your comments down below. Like, share, subscribe.